There are a few places in your home where you may want to consider spending a little bit more money. The powder room may be one of those. It's quite possibly the most used bathroom out of all your bathrooms in your home. It's the most conveniently located to your dining room, your kitchen, your living room, and all your guests are going to use it. Think about it this way. Keep it simple. You don't want extra storage in here. I mean, what are you going to store? Maybe an extra roll of toilet paper or some extra soap, but you don't need a big vanity. So keep it simple. Consider flow when it comes to your powder room. In our case, we're going to have a right hung door, and the first thing you see when you step in is the vanity with a nice granite countertop, copper sink that we're going to have here, a hanging mirror that's backlit, but you don't see the toilet until you're in the powder room. And in our case, it's off to the side and on the left. You don't necessarily want to be sitting in your dining room or your living room watching a movie with the powder room door open and you're looking straight onto your toilet. You'll notice we have no hole for the toilet in the floor, and that's because this is a wall-mounted unit. So everything is housed in the wall, nicely concealed. You'll remember from a previous episode, we couldn't do this in the master bath. We ran out of space, so we had to do a floor-mounted unit. But they're great. You know, the toilet bowl hangs up off the floor, so really easy and convenient for cleaning. You have a dual flush option, so saves you a little bit of money on your water. We'll cover the wall coverings, floor coverings, and colors in an upcoming episode. So make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss what we have coming up next. And as always, remember, mock it up or mess it up. See you next time.